morning, dear students. Dear students, myself Shishidhar PM. I will take 7th standard mathematics in that one topic, simple equation. It is a class first. Before going to this, you should know the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in your previous class. So just you should recall one time in your home, okay? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. You should try by using 2-digit number or by using 3-digit number also, okay? But don't forget to practice that one. So we shall study that is simple equation in 7th standard, okay? Yes. So first we shall move on to the topic that is, dear students, next is variable ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವುದು. Variable means something that can vary. So for example, you take something that can vary. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ಬೋದು. We can vary something, but we don't know what is that. That's called variable. In that one, a variable takes on different numerical values. Numerical values ಅಂಕಿಗಳು. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಾರು ತಗೋಬೋದು ಅದು ಅಂಕಿಗಳು. ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3ನೇ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟಾರು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 5, ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7. ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7, ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8 ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8 ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Variables are denoted usually by letter of the alphabets. That now in general letter of the alphabet, such as X, Y, Z, L, etc. Sir, what is this etc? That's very simple. Totally small letter alphabet. Small letter alphabet from A to Z. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. That belongs to your choice. Those are all called variables. But dear students, where we use the capital letter alphabets? So capital letter alphabets are using in the sets to indicate the set. ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೂಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so small letter alphabets are used to indicate. So dear students, small letter alphabets are used to indicate the variables. Small letter alphabets from A to Z, and that variables value is always changes, not fixed. Next, is expression. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಂಗೇನಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೋಡಿಸೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪದವನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಜೋಡಿಸೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, the expression are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variable. Yes, so ಪದವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೈ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ದ 4 operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we have to make operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variable. So here I given 4 example for those. Yes, yes. See at students, first one example, from variable x I take variable example for the variable x. Okay, here what they given, first one x plus 4, x plus 4. Here this is, we are formed an expression by adding one variable and one number ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ we made an one expression. This is called expression. Second one, x minus 6. So here also variable is x. Here also variable is x. Sign is minus. Minus means we have to subtract. So difference ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ minus use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And the next value is 6. 6 is number. So here we have made it an expression by using the symbol, this subtraction symbol. And next, third one, 6x. That means in these two, in between these two, there is no sign of plus and minus. Idiya plus minus sign illa. That means these two are under multiplication. Everyone multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ. That is 6 into x, 6x ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. Here variable is x and number is 6. By multiplying one number with one variable, we get an expression. Yes, and next one, x by 8. X, this line indicates that by. So in general ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, write next problem 3 by 4. You should write like this by using this one, or x divided by 8. So here x divided by 8, x is variable, 8 is number. This is separated by the symbol division alva. By using these 4 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we are made at the expressions ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. By using addition, by using subtraction, by using multiplication. In general ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ there is an multiplication ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ there is an symbol of division ಅಂತ. Don't forget that. That's very important. Yes, this is called expression, and this is about the concept of expressions. Okay, next dear students, equation. So equation means ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮನಾಗು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. When we call given expression is equation, ಈ previous page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is x plus 6 or x minus 6, x plus 4, those are all expressions. So equations contains those expressions, but one condition will be there for the formation of equation. So we shall study here. So equation concept is, in an equation there is always an equality sign. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, always an equality sign ಇರಬೇಕು. That means equals. That equality sign shows that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means left hand side is equal to right hand side. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ this equality holds good ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ that's the equation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So in an equation there is always an equality sign. That equality sign shows that LHS is equal to RHS. So here 4x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 25. Here x is variable, this x is multiple with 4 alva, 4 jothe multiply agide, that's this become 4x. For these two we are added plus 5. Here x is multiple by 6, that is 6 into x, 6x minus 25. So from this we subtracted 25 alva. Yes, this is called equation because here equality sign will be there. And also one more condition ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, that must be LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ LHS is equal to RHS, that is equation. Equation means there should be an equal sign, and also left hand side always equal to the right hand side. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, that is definition of equation. A statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are equal. Values of two mathematical expressions are equal. ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Indicated by the sign equals, that is indicated by sign equals, then that is called as equation. A statement that the values of two mathematical expressions. So mathematical expressions ಅಂದರೆ that should be contain variable, always contain variables ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. May be variables ಇರ್ಬೋದು, may not be variables. For example, 1 is equal to 1, but 1 is not equal to 2. ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಡಿ, here I given one example, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is here equal sign will be there, therefore this is x plus 3 is equal to 0 is an equation. Yes or no? And second one, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here variable is x, subtracted 7 alva minus sign ಇದೆ, that is equal to 1. This is also an equation. Next equal sign will be there. For example, you should take x is equal to minus 3. Already you learned in the integers chapter. Learn ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first chapter how to add, how to subtract. So on the next class, okay, I will give one basic concept of that in the next class. That means when the opposite sign will be there, we should subtract. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, here 8, x is equal to 8. 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. LHS is equal to RHS. For example, here x is equal to 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 is equal to 25. For example, m is equal to 6. m place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 1s are 3 2s are, our 2 is equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So these are all equations because these are all contain equal sign alva, indicated by the sign equals. Okay, this is the only basic concept required for the next concept. Okay, next, dear students, so you know that what do you mean by equation and definition of equation. When we say that the given expression is equation, means that contains equal sign, and also LHS is equal to RHS, and also we studied that variables are indicated by small letter alphabets. Yes sir. Next we shall move on to the exercise 4.1. Complete the last column of the table. So they given serial number, totally I think 10 11 problems will be there. They given equations. These are all equations because these are all contain equal sign, equal sign, equal sign, equal sign, equal sign, equal sign, and also LHS is equal to RHS. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆದರೆ then that is called as equation. So they give one value x is equal to 3, for this second one x is equal to 0, for third one x is equal to -3, fourth one x is equal to 7, so fifth one x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 0 for this, x is equal to 5 for this, and so on. So here I will solve only 3 problems, remaining you should solve and then fill yes or no in this box. Okay, if the LHS is equal to RHS satisfy ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, LHS is equal to RHS ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, what the equation they given, x plus 3 is equal to 0, the value of x is 3. Yes, equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0, value of x is equal to 3. So we shall next move to how to solve this one, or how to check this whether the given value of variable is satisfied or not. Okay, yes, now we shall move. This is the first problem alva. So they given x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the value of x is equal to 3. That means we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 3. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 3. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅವರೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 6. 6 is equal to 0. Is LHS left hand side is equal to RHS? Is it satisfied? No, it's not. Therefore equation is not satisfied. So this is equation ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ add x is equal to 3. Therefore first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ, this first column you should write no. Okay, next second one. So here I take the example of fifth one, x minus 7 is equal to 1, x value is 8. Come here. So x minus 7 is equal to 1, value of x is equal to 8. First we should write x minus 7 is equal to 1. So our value is ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x value 8. Okay, then we should substitute the value of x in the equation. This is the equation alva, yes, because they given equal sign. So now we'll check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ whether it satisfy or not. x minus 7 is equal to 1, value of x is equal to 8. So in the place of x we should write or substitute the value of x. Yes, so value of x substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. x minus 7 is equal to 1. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 means 1 is equal to 1. So they given in the RHS side is 1. So in the LHS side we get 1. 1 ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ವ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Yes, therefore equation is satisfied. ಹೇಗೆ LHS is equal to RHS. So you come back and then write this column is yes. Okay, one more example in this one. This is somewhat different, that's why I will show. Here will be there. So m division will be there. ನೋಡಿ, m divided by 3 is equal to 2. Observe carefully, m divided by 3. So I will make somewhat zoom. It's clearly ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್, m divided by 3 is equal to 2. Value of m is equal to minus 6. The value of m is equal to minus 6. So solution, m divided by 3 is equal to 2. They are already given. So value of m is minus 6. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. minus 6 by 3 ಆಗಿ is equal to 2. This symbol indicates division. Dear friends, you should divide both numerator ನೋಡಿ, you should divide both numerator and denominator from same table. ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ರಿಮೈನರ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು? ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -2. ಎಸ್, -2 is equal to RHS at the already given. See, RHS at the already given. That is -2 is equal to -2. Is that LHS is equal to RHS? No, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, equation is not satisfied. Satisfy ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So, we should write in this column as where that problem m is equal to -6 here. No, and remaining problem will be there. You should solve those problems, okay, and write whether the equation satisfy these conditions or not by writing yes or no. Yes, if any doubt, you should call me. I will clear your doubts. Okay, thank you students. Happy day.